Hi, this is Peter Godinez, your ambassador with KDY TV, and today we're here at Oxnard College, and I have the infamous Dr. Jim Harber. And you know what? What he does is so complicated, I want him to tell us what his title is.
Well, thanks so much. We've been running the Summer Biotech Institute, and I'm a professor of microbiology here at Oxnard College. And in the summer, we have this special opportunity. What we've been able to do is cultivate living heart cells in dishes like this in hopes that we could print a matrix material. This is a sample from a 3D printer of ours, and grow that tissue in a specific shape that could assist with the augmentation of therapy. These things are all being done in the clinic now, and what we're really doing is inventing curriculum to assist with these transitions towards medical and health education.
Tell us a little bit about the wonderful students who we're going to get a chance to interview with. How do they participate? Is there collaboration? Give us a little shout out in terms of working with them.
Well, this is a special opportunity, and we offer is a career-oriented technical experience here that is fitting with any of the pathways in health sciences, medicine, research. We have an excellent dental hygiene program here we're also engaged with. And so those practical experiences then we know are highly valued by the health professional schools that are looking for applicants, and also for the employers that really want somebody to be able to hit the ground with some skills on day one. So these kinds of lab skills, all of us have been taught, if we're mentors, in a personalized way, much like any other discipline. Like, I think our closest kin is cooking, and if we could
There's some chemistry involved in that.
If we could study with a Merrill or study with one of the masters, we would. And so that's the way training is handed down to us in the sciences, and then we in turn deliver that to the students who can take those opportunities and advance their careers with them.
Now, obviously, this does not fall under any kind of traditional career. The concept of creating a real heart from the actual cells of the individual. Do you see other careers starting from this that you want to title? You know, obviously, you could say medicine. Obviously, Peter, that was real stupid, but what do you envision in the future of some of these careers being called?
Well, I think that we're going to see these new skills implemented in the context of traditional medical careers. And so we know that our RNs, our dental hygienists, our researchers, our doctors, our PharmDs, our pharmacists are going to all be participants in this equation of improving and revolutionizing healthcare. I can point to one inspiration for what we've done here, and that comes from Cedars-Sinai Hospital, which is our kin here, and some amazing research that has been done in humans already to augment the function of the human heart by taking tissue no larger than the size of a peppercorn in a non-invasive way, growing it in a dish, much as we do here, and then putting back to the self, which we call autologous transplantation. And they're able to do wonderful things with those advanced skills in medicine. And so from our perspective, what we're trying to do is provide students with the opportunity to participate in something that is already ongoing in the regenerative medicine field. It's just that we really lag behind in terms of curriculum, and more specifically, undergraduate research. Despite all the conflict in Washington, new money's coming for undergraduates at the community colleges, at the undergraduate environment, that are specific to this area of undergraduate research. And although we don't publish necessarily, we produce posters that we take to conferences in our area, one of which we'll go to in November, called Southern California Conference for Undergraduate Research. And so we get to participate with the other schools in the area as equals at that particular level. And hopefully, and I've seen this happen with many of the students, the ones you'll meet today, will go on and publish and investigate careers in medicine and become professionals and surprise us all. And we always ask them to remember the Oxnard College Foundation.
Well, you should remember that. And I want to get a shot of the 3D printing. I want to let you know 3D is a passion of mine, but I always thought the materials it was what's missing. So what you're telling me is we're getting pretty close to creating the materials to create the hearts then.
Right.
Okay.
And so in medicine, this is done with a more expensive type of material. In our case, we're modeling the same kinds of techniques, and so actually we bought what is a very economy product and uses a one-color plastic, and we are coating that plastic with our biomaterials. So we work in the area of a well-established biomaterial called fibrin, and this fibrin can be molded in a way, and the 3D printer assists us with that molding process, much like many of us who took shop class would make a mold and pour metal in it, or you could think of these kinds of things in the kitchen as Jell-O or other kinds of, and so it's from this idea of working with this particular material that we get the idea that we're going to direct the shape of that material and then grow the cells upon that material.
Well, I'm asked my director did you get a picture of the 3D? You know, with that, thank you so much. Give me a rock since I don't have gloves on. Again, Dr. Jim Harber, and just a wonderful person, and I hope you're listening and, you know, provide support. So this is Peter Godinez, your ambassador with KDY TV. Until next time.